Alright y'all, so we got the exhaust back from powder coating for BIiscayne. We'll do a video of installing it. See, we got the mufflers coated, the X pipe coated. So it is stainless, but we decided to go ahead and get it all coated so it also match the headers. So we putting those on. See, we got the hangers already up here in place. Still gotta paint these hangers on the back, but we'll get that also on and pull those back off and paint them. So we got these hanging in place. Alright y'all, so we bolt the X pipe up first and work from the headers back. Just got it in place, put the gaskets in place, get everything in place before we tighten anything up. Alright y'all, so we got the X pipe on. Now we're gonna hold up the exhaust cutouts, so we won't have electronic cutouts. Alright y'all, so we got the cutouts installed. Everything bolted up with the X pipe. And we're going. Alright y'all, so now we got the mufflers on. Still gotta get them lined up and get them level. Alright, so we got the full exhaust system completely installed. Only thing left is to wire up the exhaust cutouts. Got the wire on the inside, I get it out the hole, put some grams on the floor, run it through. Got all the hangers on, all the band clamps on. Still gotta paint these hangers in the back. I'll take these back off and paint them. Everything else pretty much done with the exhaust. It turned out pretty good. Appreciate y'all watching the video. More content coming.